While it is not always the most obvious choice, this material certainly have a few perks that set glass models apart from more traditional tables. However, there are also a few specific situations in which we wouldn't always recommend opting for it. This means that when you add one to your dining room, it will immediately stand out and grab your guests' attention, showcasing your good taste, outside-the-box thinking, and eye for interior design. Thanks to the glass top, it will also create a sophisticated vibe, or depending on the style that you decide to opt for, a formal or even fine dining atmosphere. Because it doesn't block the view behind its top surface, a glass table creates an illusion of your dining space being much wider than it actually is, which can work wonders in smaller dining rooms that already feel a bit cramped. This will also make your entire room look airier. Plus, because it reflects light more effectively than other materials, a glass top can enhance the brightness of a dining room with little natural light. With so many tables and designs to choose from, choosing the right one may be not easy. The choice between a wooden and glass table is usually the most difficult to make. When it comes to glass tabletops, it's tapered glass, which is used because it looks natural and presentable to easily blend in any interior. In fact, while both tabletops are good and reliable, glass tabletops are a step ahead. Glass tops are versatile in nature and easily blend with different types of interior decor. It looks great in vintage and traditional, modern and contemporary, and even in homes with rustic or earthy interiors. The fact that the glass tabletops can be custom designed gives many more design options to choose from. It goes without saying that glass tabletops have a luxurious appearance and sleek aesthetics, which easily improve the beauty and elegance of the living or kitchen room. You can even add to its style by customizing its edges with either trendy vibes or elegant motifs. The transparency of glass clubbed with its streamlined aesthetics helps glass tabletops emphasize on the beauty of the nearby decor. In other words, you can use the glass transparency to highlight the beauty of a gorgeous area rug, the brightness of a tall sculpture, or countless overhead lights. Cleaning glass tabletops is so easy. All you have to use are gentle cleaners and a cloth to wipe it clean of any food or wine stain. Glass tops can be easily replaced if they get damaged or cracked, which is cheaper and better than replacing the entire table. Besides, micro-scratched are easily camouflaged on glass countertops. Glass tops usually come with rounded polished edges for safety and prevention from any scratches. The glass is durable and does not easily break or get damaged. This is mainly attributed to the fact that it can withstand high temperatures to a maximum of 270 degrees Celsius. Thanks for watching. Until next time.